Hello, friends and family. Welcome to Nice TV show. Welcome to a brand new episode. Before we start something, Ivo Esan oye, that oye, that I must say you go share many otuwa vai. Everyone to otuwa in Canada. When say me I to otuwa do I catch it. Ba go to otuwa. And then they go to Ottawa. I manage some I catch otuwa. Wa bo yo ni wa me ho da yo. Oh, bojeri ona bochoy. Ene se bochoy Toronto. I manage some here Toronto no. We are better no. I just tell you don't know about. It's not working. Ida your back no. The president not we done ida. President igba fere aba. Belki or moking. There is no one here. You need meet here or 20 hours. We are paying with my bill. You want with me bitty. Yeah, back you know, if I don't very, you don't matter into the mono, you don't know me die or if you are a bill. We are Peter no full glass of full go down. Here the actual comes and I don't want to give me that, but I are working for. Working for so blue, we are inviting me, which is really wanted to do about. Inviting me there by maybe what is so cheap, you are bargaining. I get to try keep it. We don't know about that. Let's come back to our normal discussion. So, in the very last time we talked about ABD, I told you something, I told you guys something, that we're going to come with words in it, like what A stand for, B, what stand for D, you know, things like that. So is the reason why we are here today. As you can see, everything is pretty clear. No need, you know. So you have been following us before now. You know the next thing you do now. Go bring your biro, bring your paper, and we'll start down. Now so it will be. Hey guys, so we need to read together while you update it. You write it down for your remembrance. Or if you like coming to my TV channel every day, coming to take a look. It's not bad at all, but I prefer you write it down. You know, things like that. So I think we have to start now without wasting much time. As you can see, we have What did A stand for? Can I hear a voice from out there? What did A stand for? Good, but it's not what I wrote here. What I write here is different from what you're telling me though. Good. It's very good. So, let's read together. Let me hear you say Aga. Malice and why now? Aga. Maga made a do to Aba. It's very clear. I'm going to help you a little bit by putting it into, you know, using it to form some certain sentence so that it will look strange to you, you know. Aga, Maga made a daughter, or Maga married daughter. You know, you have plural, I will have singular. That will be another episode. So, Binorio. Bodiaye. How are you? Bodiaye. The first one, Aga, it simply means chair. Okay? Then B of it, Bodiaye. How are you? How are you doing? Okay? Then we have a D. D of it, what did D stand for? Doggy. By doggy, come and look. Come and take a look. That's the same thing. Come and look. Come and take a look. Come and look something. Come and take a look of this thing. Doggy. Then we have A of it. Esan. Like Esan Language. Very simple. Then will me, for I give me A. Then after A we see A. Say, can I hear a voice from outside? There. every day, every blessed day of our life, every day. And after A, we have a F, which we call F. What is stand for? Fairy. Fairy. It almost sound all similar to doggy, but it's a little different. By Doffer again. Doffer everywhere more. Go and look. Go and look. Go and look. It's almost like similar thing with doggy, but it's a little bit different. Then after that we have G. G. What did G stand for? Esan. What did G stand for? Remain. Look at me. See me, oh. Don't find me since I don't wanna see me. See me. Remain. Then after G, we move to H. Where? Where? You know, for something to swell up. Orame no se me where. For it to swell up, you know. That's what we need. Or where? Orame no se me where. You don't know about. That is H. Then after H, we have E. What did E stand for now? E no there, which is yesterday. Past tense, yesterday. E no there, yesterday. And after E, we have a G. G say, Juwenava day. Where are you coming from? Most especially, you used to ask question. Juwenava day. You know, the tone you're using, harsh voice, harsh tone. I mean, Juwenava day. That is G. Where are you coming from? You know. Then we have a K. After G, we have K. Simply mean Kevai. We write Kevai here. But you know, our Grammy, they would like to add O onto it. Kevao. It's supposed to be Kevai, like a verb of it. Kevai. Come soon, oh. I didn't send you market to go and sleep there, oh. Come soon. Come home soon. Come soon. Kevai. Then after K we have L. What did L say? Lu. Simply mean doing. But well, Lu, what are you doing? Man, I'm doing nothing. I'm not doing anything. You know, what are you doing? I will ball. You're belly so. I don't know. But well, Lu, that is low. Low men doing. Then after L we have M. What did M stand for? Men no. It's me. Or even me. No. It's me. Who is there? It's me. Sir. Ma. It's me. No. That is M for you. Then after M we have N. What did N stand for? Nederewe. Since morning I have been here. I have been here since morning. That's what it simply means. And after N we have a oboe. Oboe. Hand. But when it is two, what do we call that? Abo. So singular and plural. So oboe. Then after O we have O. O simply mean oka. Corn. Baniloka. I want to eat corn. It's very simple. Then after O we have P. Wow. when you see the writing, you say, what does this stand for? Perere. Like another. Bokba, Beva. Unwallow Perere. I try Perere. Perere. It's just a noisemaker. I can't do nothing. So there are a lot of people like that in the whole wide world, you know. Perere, that is P. And after P we have R, which normally call arrow. Arrow. It means robust. Arrow say robust. Touch it with your hand. Touch it with your hand. Robust. Touch it with your hand. That is robust. Then we have a S. Yes, what is S telling us here? It's a sober. Shake. To have a handshake. Shake me. Shake me. To have a shake. Sober. And after S we have a T. T say tare. Iditare. 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 I will tell, you know. Children normally play with that. Okay, etare. Iditare, yes, iditare. You know, tell. To report something. I will tell. Tare, that is T. Then after T we have Ju. U. Ugbo. Oh. Mewoka Jugbo. Ugbo. Farm. Ugbo. Then after U we have V. V say Vi. Come. Vaidana. Come here. That is V for you. Then we have a W. Do piavu. You know, in different language. Yes, W say where dagoi. Have you seen it? Did you see it? Have you seen it? Yes, most past tense and present tense, you know, things like that. Then we have a Y, which we call Y. Y say yai. What do you mean by yai? Take a smell. Something smelling. Or yari, something smelling. Yai, take a smell. Or emi yari, something smelling. It's Y. Then finally we have come to Z, which we call Z. Z means zobo. Hey, I say abomo ke agbomo pa. No, so zobo man, zobo man. That is zobo. Leave the charge for me, or leave him for me. Simply me leave him for me. Leave. Yeah. So friends and family, I say thank you, and I hope this will improve you. This will make impact in you. You know, to create something dynastic in your system, in your mind, in your hair, and everything. I'm made up of you. So I say thank you for being with us. We call it a day. So I'll meet you another time. Have a good day, have a blessed week. May God, I start with God and protect you now forevermore. In Jesus' mighty name, I pray.